He's getting drunk in... Derek!
Sorry. That's
Why?
probably gonna suck to re-listen to this VOD. I'm sorry.
Ew! Why do you do that?
I'm sorry. I'll never do that again. I get one, okay? I gave him just one.
Ew! Don't touch me.
Because that felt gross to do, too.
That felt gross to do. If it felt gross to do, why you did it? It's your insides. You know your insides better than anyone. What's the use of having me in a monitor if you're not listening to what I say?
I'm going to agree with you or else you'll probably kill me.
No. I could have killed you like 20 times during this stream, but I didn't.
That is true. Especially when I burped into the microphone.
Ew! Ah. I got chills.